Tracy here with BibleDrillingMinistries.com, and I'm so excited to share with you one of my favorite subscription boxes. So let's do the unboxing from Artza, the Holy Land Delivered, the Judean Desert Box. Okay, so my niece just gave it to me and I'm so excited. I asked her to come over on the camera with me and share it with you guys, but she said no, so it's just gonna be me today, as it is usually me. When it comes to all these unboxing and product review type things, I get the pleasure of doing these things, and one day maybe she'll join us. So with this, you get the Judean Desert. This is box number 5 that they've put out so far. It just kind of gives you a little bit of information on what's included in the box. And then we're also getting some artist cards here. So these are the artisans, the local artisans in the Holy Land that, you know, contribute to these boxes so that you can learn a little bit more about them. And so there's a few different ones here. And as we look at the products, I'll try to grab these cards to show you a little more about them. And then we have a huge discount, you guys, huge discount this month. And if you are interested in the Artza box, use our affiliate link that does help us out. You're gonna get the best discount here with Artza Fam 25 at checkout. That's going to give you 25% off. So if you are interested in this box, this is the cheapest I've ever seen them do this deal. I mean, essentially it works out to, instead of being, so normally a regular box is like $74.99. With this discount, the box is like $56.25. But if you do the annual subscription, you get like a free box with it. So that's like 5 boxes. So they work out to be somewhere around $45 a piece, which is an amazing deal. I get the premium box. So the premium box includes like an extra special gift. And I'm so excited to share what I get this month. I think it is, I've seen some people show it. I think it might be an olive oil container maybe. But the premium box usually runs about $94.99 with the discount here today. That's going to be $71.25. And again, if you buy the annual, you get 5, you get like a free box if you buy the annual. And so that works out to be a little bit about closer to like $61. So this is like the best deal I've ever seen them give. So I'm super excited about it. And if you want that deal, make sure you click the link. They are giving us a recipe for a Sicilian date cake, which I would love to try. I wonder if this will work good in my cupcake maker. I'm gonna have to try it. Then we have a beautiful card here, Masada. It says, located 13 feet above the Dead Sea stands Masada, an ancient castle and forest that was originally built by Herod the Great. When the Roman-Jewish War broke out in 66 CE, a group of Jewish fighters took over Masada. I might be saying this wrong. I so apologize, guys, for my broken Hebrew. And set up camp there. Following the destruction of the Second Temple in Jerusalem by the Romans in 70 CE, Masada became the last refuge of the Jewish community in the Holy Land. After holding out for years in 73 CE, the Romans finally took over the fortress. In the final act of defiance, the entire Jewish population committed suicide at the site instead of being taken back as slaves to Rome. Whew! Today, the site is among the most popular tourist destinations in Israel. Who knew that? I didn't know that because I have not been to Israel, but one day I would love to go. And until I get to go, I'm enjoying the chance to visit Israel remotely through these boxes. This one says the Mount of Temptation. Just a few miles away from the city of Jericho is the Mount of Temptation, the site where the devil tempted Jesus 3 times during his 40-day fast in the desert. This is amazing. Huh. No kidding. You know, this is really, I love these boxes because when I'm reading the Bible, I'm seeing this now, and now my view of what the mount looks like versus the view that I had in the Bible, totally different, totally different. Yet the wilderness to me is like trees and forest and all that, but really it's not. So Tracy, she's getting educated here. The Judean Desert, this is the box, the art that comes with the box, which I love. So you can always like frame this or put it in your journal or do all kinds of things with it. But it does give you a little bit of information about the box, as well as gives you some Hebrew to learn. So, I mean, we all could learn a little Hebrew, can't we? Okay, so as we go into the box, this box, I will try to show you what is included in the regular box first and then do the premium at the end. But it looks like we get a Shalom tile here. Let me just make sure I know what this is. It's a handmade ceramic Shalom wall tile framed in Israeli grown olive wood. I just had to smell it. It doesn't have much of a smell to it. From our talented and beloved artisan Hamil Hosh. Very beautiful, absolutely stunning. This would be great like next to your, you know, on your desk when you're Bible journaling, maybe in your bathroom, maybe in your war room or your prayer room. Shalom means peace, and I think when I look at the word shalom, I just feel peace. So I try to you know, put things in front of me that give me peace, that give me joy, that just kind of continue to encourage me in a way that I think honors the Lord. And so this would be something that I would definitely enjoy having in my house, but it's likely that my niece will take it from me, because when I'm done with this video, I'm going to walk the box over to her because she's been waiting and she gets to choose what she wants out of the box. But she's not getting the coffee because I think Lonnie's going to want the coffee. So let's check out the coffee next. This one is called Agro Cafe. From our farms to your cup. Ground roasted coffee. Let's see, best before 7/22. We got plenty of time to have this coffee. So this is made by Hanan, and he grew up in the southern district of Israel, and he served in a special combat unit of IDF, and he went on to study biotechnology and business administration, and now lives in I believe that's Ella Valley, but I could be wrong, with his wife, Ariella, and their 4 children. So he's a small business, and it says, my objective is to achieve social innovation that will improve the lives of coffee growers from around the world using Israeli technology and creative thinking. He would like to make the world a better place and bring superior coffee straight from the field to the Israeli customers that he has. I hope you enjoy this specially roasted blend. Well, let's check out the coffee. All right, thank you, Hanan, for creating awesome coffee. So obviously, Lonnie's going to get this because he is a huge coffee lover. I am a decaf girl, so it's not for me. But, oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I might have to have a little bit of this. Oh, that is wonderful. Look at that. It's really nice, nicely fine ground coffee. Oh, it smells so good. I want to eat it, but I'm not going to because, yeah, that will make this video be over really quickly. But, yes, it smells so good. It's just ground roasted coffee, but it's roasted in Israel with love. It just smells so wonderful. I can't wait to try it. And so that is also included in the box. Let's see, what else do we have here? Okay, so we have this here. This is the golden rosemary salt, and it is a salt grinder from 424 Below. And I think their card is over here. Let's check them out. 424 salt. Rosemary infused gold salt. What's gold salt? Looks like it's best before 6/20/23, so you got plenty of time to use it. It says the ingredients are natural Dead Sea salt, rosemary, and edible gold dust. What? I mean, the girl is feeling really fancy right now with this edible gold dust. I mean, I don't know what I think about edible gold dust. Let's check it out. I am feeling very fancy right now. All right. Let's check it out. Oy. All right. Oh, it smells lovely. It's salt, so it'll probably taste like salt, but I'm gonna just taste it because it's pretty good. I mean, it's salt, but you can definitely taste that rosemary that's in there. And apparently, I'm gonna have some edible. You can see that is kind of shiny a little bit. That is probably what's giving it its little glimmer. It's salt that has a little bit of edible. I don't know, guys. This is so fancy for me, but I love it, and we're gonna try to use it in some of our recipes, I think. Wow, it's good. Actually, I like the idea of having the rosemary and the salt. These people are brilliant. People are so brilliant. That's amazing to me what small businesses come up with each and every day. It's so cool. Ooh, okay, now this one, oh man, I don't know. My niece will probably choose this one, and then I'll be sad because I'll want to have it, but you know, if she wants to have it, I'm gonna give it to her. So this one, these are Dead Sea relaxing bath salts from Yonat, and she has done PhD studies in molecular biology. No kidding. She said she decided she needed a change. She moved to the desert, and the first, oh, this smells so good. Oh man, I love this. I love this. Maybe I'll get lucky and my niece will take something else, and I'll take this one. Maybe I'll hide it. No, I won't hide it. I'll let her choose. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. You guys are gonna love this bath salt. You're gonna love this bath salt. So she said the first thing that welcomed her was pure silence and bare land, which is exactly what she needed, and she fell in love with it immediately. And she started to study desert studies. And she wrote a thesis. I'm just trying to skip through. And she says, I named my small business Yonat Midbar, meaning Yonat, the desert, meaning Yonat of the desert, or desert dove. Oh, okay. As I feel that connecting to the desert is my destiny. Nowadays, I make different kinds of natural care products, and she shares her knowledge by giving workshops and desert plant tours in the Judean desert. This is very lovely, you guys. It's a custom salt bath. It's a custom bath salt blend, and that she specifically created for Artza. And it's just a wonderful smell to it. Oh, it's just a wonderful smell. This is so lovely. Anyways, I always feel so fancy when I get these boxes. All right, next, with your Artza box, you always get like different experiences. So you get, you know, something kind of tangible. You usually get like something to taste, and there's quite a few things to taste in this one. You always get something like kind of artsy or craftsy, like the tile. I don't know. You just get a lot of different varieties and things. So this is, oh, I hate when I come here and I don't have anything to taste with. I'm looking around to see if there's anything. Oh, I have a chopstick. Yay for using extra supplies. Okay, so this is pure date honey. And let me see what they say about this one. This is Ceylon date honey, a sweet and delicious syrup from our friends at the incredible Lynn Farm. And then so you can make a cake, which I think I might try, the Ceylon date cake. I think I might try it. Okay, you need some baking soda, honey, butter, brown sugar, eggs, self-rising flour, and walnuts. So we'll give it a shot. Maybe I think cupcakes might be better. But I'm a huge fan of honey, guys. So I'm just gonna do a little taste test for you. Maybe I'll show you the consistency. This is a very dark honey. Oh, well, I think it's date honey, so yeah, it would be dark. You guys probably get a kick out of me. Like, you probably watching this video and you're like, yeah, it's dark. It's a date honey. It should be dark. I don't know, guys. Let me taste it. Oh, it's very delicious. I can definitely taste it is datey, that's for sure. What's included in here? It's 100% dates. Okay, so what do I know about date honey? It says a Mediterranean classic, our date honey has a sweet, full-bodied flavor with a hint of caramel-like maltiness. That's so true. Rich in antioxidants, fiber, and potassium. It includes 100% dates. It's very good. Honestly, I've never heard of pure date honey or even date honey before. So if you know anything about this, or if you have a good recipe, let me know below. I would love to try it. Of course, I'm going to try the recipe they included, but this looks amazing. Okay. Then, I mean, the box just keeps going and going. This is just a regular box. I haven't even gotten to the special premium surprise. So this is the Dead Sea Scrolls Treasure of the Bible. What is this? It says, looks like, what is this? Here we go. This is from Zach. It is called the Dead Sea Scroll Ceramic. And I probably didn't do the best of all jobs, guys, but whenever you get these cards, they give you a little bit about the artisan, they give you the item, and then they tell you how to use it. So this one says, together with the family as you dive into the history of the Holy Land. And then there's some information on the back. So let's check this out, the Dead Sea Scroll Treasures of the Bible. Okay. Maybe my niece might like this. She might take this from me, which is totally cool. And it's made in Israel. Praise Jesus. Yay. Okay. So you get a little booklet with it. Let me just move all this stuff out of the way because I feel like the box is now taking up quite a bit of space and there isn't much left in there. So let me just move that aside. We'll check out this pottery here. It says it is a ceramic, and then it has a book that comes with it. Talks a little bit about the Dead Sea Scrolls. Oh, I'm totally reading this. This is super awesome. Yep, it talks about the discovery of the Dead Sea Scrolls. I mean, that was just amazing. The historical context. Who wrote the Dead Sea Scrolls. Talks a little bit about the Dead Sea Scrolls in the Bible. Very cool. In a map. And let me get it out. Let me see if I can get it out without actually... Oh. Be careful with yours. You don't want to break it. It's like a little replica Dead Sea Scroll. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. That is like you have your own little Dead Sea Scroll. Now here's what I would probably do. Since it's blank, I'd probably take my scissors and just kind of cut around it so it looks all old. Maybe I take some distress ink and make it all like look really old. But then, so anyways, that would go in the jar. How cool is this? I can't wait to read more. But look at the little clay jar. Isn't that super cute? Like put that on your shelf with your little Shalom tile. I love this. I love it. All right. So, and lastly, so if you are a premium box subscriber, you always get something kind of bonus with it. And this is a handmade ceramic olive oil jug designed to invoke the spirit of the Judean desert. IsraelCeramics.com. I love that they support the local artists there. They're small businesses. They're just trying to, make some money to help, feed their families. And no big companies here. No big companies. Oh, is this signed? Oh my goodness, it's signed at the bottom. So this is a little olive oil. I'm totally like, my niece will probably take this one. I don't know. She's gonna have a hard choice. She's gonna have a hard choice to make because this is amazing. And then if you got the previous Artza box, it did come with some oil. You're welcome to put that oil in there if you still have some from the last box. But that is a very just gorgeous olive oil little container here. And all of these like products this month are simply beautiful and amazing. And I always feel like so like extra special when I receive my Artza box. And so I think that it would make a wonderful gift for anybody in your life. So I hope that you will take a peek at this company and, support them if that's something that you're interested in. And I hope that this video was helpful. If it is helpful, please leave us a review and don't forget to use your discount code. I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.